Hello. This video, I would like to give you the information of the OPPO Reno 8 Pro. The OPPO Reno 8 Pro is a high-end and performant device, comparable to other premium phones in 2022. It offers a great fit and finish, with glass panels on the front and back and an aluminum mid-frame. The phone has an attractive design, with a glass panel covering the entire backside, including the camera module. It features an excellent AMOLED display, providing vibrant and immersive visuals. The phone also boasts a reliable in-display fingerprint sensor for seamless and secure unlocking. Under the hood, the Reno 8 Pro is powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 8100 Max processor, paired with 8 GB of RAM, delivering strong performance for day-to-day tasks. However, it may struggle with resource-intensive tasks. The ColorOS software, based on Android 12, offers impressive customization options, allowing users to personalize their phone according to their preferences. In terms of camera capabilities, the Reno 8 Pro utilizes the MariSilicon X NPU to capture better footage, especially in scenes with less than ideal lighting. It can snap a 50MP image and shoot high-quality videos. The phone's battery life is impressive, and it charges quickly with the included 80W charger, ensuring minimal downtime. It offers ample storage space for all your multimedia needs, providing a seamless user experience. The OPPO Reno 8 Pro competes well with other upper mid-range phones, offering a premium experience in the upper mid-range segment. It is available in India for 45,999 Indian rupees, $575, in 2 color options. While it may be too expensive for a budget camera phone, it still offers impressive features and capabilities that rival flagship phones. Thank you for watching and see you next videos.